Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve a very tricky questions, nice square root problems for the value of m. We will find value of m. What is the value of m? We will find today. Here we see that left side of the equation is multiplying by 2. So we will divide the whole equations by 2. Let's see. M square root into 2 is equal to m. Divided both sides of the equations by 2. Here we see 2 will be cancels. M whole square root m square root is equal to m. Now to remove the square root, we will take square of both sides of the equations. Let's see m square root whole square is equal to m over 2 square. This square root cancels, square and square root cancels, so m square root is equal to m square, this square is equal to 4. So to remove this square root, we will take again square of both sides of the equations. So m square root taking squares is equal to m square divided by 4 whole squares. Here this m will be square, m square, this square root and square cancels, so into m is equal to m power m square whole square is equal to 4 square. So this m square and m that's m becomes m cube is equal to m power 4 divided by 4 4s are 16. So here m power 4 16 will go on this side of the equation m cube. So m cube will go on this side of the equation and will be divided. So here dividing both sides of the equation by m cube. Here this cancels, this m power 4 minus this power goes and will be minus is equal to 16. So m is equal to 16. So we have found this value of the equations. The value of m is that is equal to 16. Let's check this answer. We will put this value of 16 into first equation. What is the first equation? That is 2m whole square root m square root is equal to m. So the value of, we will put this value of m into this equation, 2 into 16 whole square root, then again 16 square root is equal to 16. Here we see that 16 whole square root, this square root that is 4 square and square root is equal to 16. So here 2 into 16, this whole square root cancels, that is 4 is equal to 16. Then we will take 16 into 4, that is 64. 64 square root into 2 is equal to 16. This 8 square becomes 8 square root is equal to 16. This square root cancels and remains 8 is equal to 16. So 16 is equal to 16. So it's proved that the true value of m is equal to 16. Thank you guys. Keep watching this marvelous math channel. Thank you so much.